let me show you how you can change the color of your interface in Affinity Photo. I know some of you guys prefer the light mode, so let's switch that. By default, you will got the dark mode, like I'm got it right now in my desktop version on my Mac. Let's head to Properties. When you click on the name at the top menu, you will see Settings. You will see now the big pop-up box with different categories on the left. You can move between them. You can use also the search box at the top. What we need to do, we need to modify the overall interface color. So let's head to User Interface. Over here, you can switch between dark mode, light mode, or you want to follow your operating system mode. So if you switch your macOS or Windows to light, it will be light, dark, it will be dark automatically. Let's go with the light mode. You can change the font size to large. Nice. And you can also adjust some gray levels as well. So take a look, we got this first slider for the background gray level. And this is the table behind the paper. So I like to keep this a bit darker. It's also the artboard gray level, text contrast, and UI brightness. So we can make it even brighter than this if you prefer. All right. You can set a contrast to high, like that, or default. So it will move those sliders automatically for you. I would also move to the next tab called Tools, because from here you can change the tool handle to be small, medium, or large. And you can also modify some settings. So for example, if you like your mouse wheel to zoom in and out, you can turn this on from here as well. All right, now we can close our settings and enjoy your Affinity Photo in the bright mode, in the light mode.